Are you an ideas person but struggle with needing a designer to bring your idea to life? Keep watching. Hey, what's up? I'm John Charette and I'm a product guy. I wake up with dozens of ideas that my wife is less than enthusiastic to hear about. But what really slows me down is my ability to visualize those ideas. Well, last week I came across Miro's new prototype feature, and it's pretty slick. It can build multi-screen flow ideas with a single prompt. No designers, no devs. For context, here's an idea I came up with. So you know how you and your wife have blue and pink tasks, such as taking out the garbage is a blue task, and at our house, cutting the lawn is a pink task? Hey, don't judge, she likes it. Well, each of these tasks takes up mental load, something else that you need to think about in your busy week. The idea of mental load is that if it's a blue task, my wife never needs to worry about if I'm gonna take out the garbage, it just gets done. Well, let's just say it's been brought to my attention that there may be more pink tasks than blue tasks to keep our household moving forward. So I had a thought. What about an idea that could track these tasks and we could assign them to each other? I'm the type that if I have a reminder or something in my calendar to do something, I'll do it. So here's how this new Miro prototype thing works. Open up Miro, press this little star thing, and then click the prototype feature. It's still in beta. It asks you if you want to start with a text prompt or a screenshot. Let me know if you're curious about the screenshot part. It's actually neat too, but today we'll do text prompt. Then it asks you for a format, desktop, mobile, or tablet. This feels more like a mobile app to me. And then lastly, it's a single screen or a multi-screen flow. We'll go with the multi-screen flow. So here we go. Enter your prompt, wait a couple minutes, and bam, this is what it created. It even allows you to update specific screens or add an additional screen. So I see this feature really cool for two types of people. One, a product manager like myself, who can just take an idea with a paragraph of a prompt and then bam, within minutes, it's done. It has flows, connector lines, even images. It looks pretty slick. Oh, and the design is fully editable once you add it to your canvas. If you want to move things around, just do it. Secondly, web designers. Imagine your boss is asking you for a new wireframe concept, and instead you come to them with this rough, pretty much done concept full with images. Win-win. This feature is currently free for all plans while it's in beta. So I recommend going to check it out before they put up a paywall. There's a link in the description down below. Let me know what you think and if this could speed up your workflow. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.